Hey guys, this is Logan Gacha World again, and my video just got live a couple minutes ago, so yeah, I'm back. And also, let me just quickly do something. I'm just bothered with this. I'm just gonna shoot up a bunch of videos today. This little button to go to YouTube, look how tiny this is. Yeah, you can go to my YouTube channel. Who the frick's gonna see this? It's gonna delete this. I'm gonna show you how to actually make a better, bigger one. Just want to go to something called your button. Go down. A beautiful button. Button text, button style. You can do whatever type button you want. I'm gonna say okay, that's not what I expected to do. Just gonna delete all this text, right? My channel, and I'm just gonna basically just make it, right? Okay, align it. Button style, like that. This is gonna go link, URL, and let's just paste in this, and there you go. You can now go to my YouTube channel with it actually being way bigger of a button. And honestly, I don't know if you can resize button. There's ways to resize button. I can show you real quick if you want to make it smaller. But who would want to? You can just use a bunch of spacers. Spacer. I don't think spacers do it crap. Oh yeah, they do. If you just slowly keep adding spacers, it's gonna slowly get smaller because it has no room. You just put it next to it, right here. It's depleting quickly, but I don't want these. So basically, I just wanted to post that because many people don't do that. I'm seeing, especially if they use Weebly or Weebly. I don't really care how you guys say it. Yeah, so I'm basically just gonna upload this, and to show you that this works, I'm gonna duplicate tab. This is gonna be the old one. This is gonna be a new one with the update in it. Enter. Now, my YouTube channel. Okay, it works really well. What? But then here, yeah, you can barely. Okay, just look compared. Okay. This looks way better. You basically just have an updated version of your website now. So, you're welcome, and have a Merry Christmas. Bye!